Hey everyone, it's Sabrina. I am going to be doing another pep talk process video. This one I'm going to share 4 spreads. I am starting with the end of 2020 with a spread about my last selfie in December, and I'm kind of doing the highlights and just telling myself I'm strong and I'm capable. So that's what I'm going to stamp right now with the alphabet stamp, and I am doing just the blues and the grays playing off of that sticker up in the top left corner. I know that sticker is blue and my color doesn't necessarily match, but that's okay. Coordinates, so that works. To be able to get these alphabet stamps straight, I'm going to go ahead and use a piece of scratch paper and kind of use that and guide me. But I am getting better at being straight on my own with this stamp set, so that's awesome. So after the alphabet stamping, I am going to journal about how 2020 is ending on a good note. I feel great. Moving has become part of my habit. I am fussy cutting out December and then highlights. December is going to go on the bottom left and highlights is going to go on the bottom right. So I have just a little 3 different clusters with the stickers as being the points for where my clusters are. Decided to add in some arrows, and I don't know if they were necessary, but I added them anyways. I wanted to add some more movement, so that's why I put them in there. And then I have Get It Girl, and then I'm journaling now. So I am very proud of myself for continuing to move, and it is definitely how I have stayed sane during all this time, right? So after this page, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my knee injury. I debated on whether or not to include that in the pep talks because it's negative, and pep talks, when you think of that, you think positive, but I wanted to include it because it was part of my fitness journey, and that is the theme of my pep talks, so I am going to include it. So I have a photo of me with my knee, and on the medicine on my knee, and then I am going to stamp slow down, and then how you feeling, and I'm going to put like the sad face, and then also stamp this is unacceptable, and just talk about how having a knee injury was not fun. I basically started off 2021 resting and doing nothing, and it wasn't the best way to start the year, but I think in the end I discovered that I need to kind of pivot with my workouts and not do so much high intensity and no jumping and less cardio. So I have since switched to Coach Kel. I'll leave a link for her, but she's amazing, and I like her Pilates, bar, body sculpt, all that kind of stuff. I like that better. So for January, I just wrote about how this knee thing was not fun. I dealt with it all the way till March, and then I got kind of really back into exercising. I did some knee exercises and, like I said, switched what kind of workouts I was doing. Did a lot more yoga and definitely no more jumping. For this selfie, this is like back in February when I started to work out. I stamped big win on the side and then put an arrow, can't stop smiling, and then I'm going to stamp another how are you feeling, and I'm going to put it more towards the happy face one. And then I also stamped love this so much because I was thrilled to be moving again. It's just, I know I keep saying this, but it is such a part of my daily habit and daily routine, and it's just how I keep going, I guess, especially as somebody who has depression and anxiety. It's a tool to fight back with that. Okay, last spread. I love this photo. I was really nervous about sharing it on Instagram, but then I did, and then I did a scrapbook project, so now this photo lives huge on my Instagram feed. But I had to include it here in this pep talks because this was March. I was back to working out pretty much every day. I was doing Coach Kel workouts, and I just felt like I was blooming. So I'm going to do bloom in the middle, add some green stickers, and then add in some blue stamped phrases. And then I'm also going to add in some greenery since I'm going with the bloom theme. Then a stamp right there, Get It Girl. And then I'm going to stamp grow through it, I believe, and then I pulled another stamped phrase that had something to do with plants, and I'm going to put that down in just a little bit. I had it right there, you just saw it, but I'm going to change the ink color in a minute. So yes, growing through it, and then yay, so proud of myself. And then around these 3 different areas, I'm gonna add in my greenery stamps, and I'm gonna do them in green and black. So just adhering those down, I usually cut them out, place them, and then adhere them. I don't know, that kind of makes it double the work, I guess, but I want to make sure that I am positive 100% I want them in that location. So here I am stamping the greenery, and I'm going to stamp it all over in those different sections that I have, kind of 3 different spots. Use my sand eraser to erase a little ink splotch. It works for the most part to get most of it out. Adding in some little black leaves and then a berry branch that is blue, and that will finish up this page. And I love this project so much. It is such a fun way to document myself and my achievements. I hope you guys enjoyed this process video. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks so much. Bye.